Okay then, so here's a quick tip for displaying HTML inside your PHP files. When you're using, say, if statements or anything that uses a block, and you need to do this on a condition, or maybe not a condition, maybe you're just trying to output a lot of HTML inside something that's working in PHP. So in this example, I've just got a variable called name, and this is set at the moment to Alex. And then I have a sort of useless if statement, really. I'm saying if name equals Alex, which it does at the moment. We're going to echo out hi Alex. If it doesn't equal Alex, so else, we're going to come down and we're going to echo out you're not Alex, please type your name. And then what we've got here is an input field here, which at this present moment should have a form around it. So form action equals index.php method equals post, and we'll end the form over here. We can even bring this down a bit just so it looks a bit better. Okay, so we've got some HTML code inside this else block here. So we're saying if else, and then we've got a block starting here, the block ending here, and we're echoing out not a lot of HTML code, but what could become a lot of HTML code. Now the purpose of this tutorial is to show you that you don't need to use the echo and echo out HTML code. It's a lot easier, it's also faster, and it saves you a lot of time when you are you want to code using, say, quotation marks rather than single quotation marks. The other reason for this is that when you're looking at your code, it's nicer to have it inside your blocks, say this else block here, without having to think about what you're typing. So if you're used to using quotation marks and you don't want a line escape, what this will do, this / here will actually escape this character, so it will still be displayed, but PHP will ignore it as the end of this echo, this beginning of this echo here. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and show you the example live. Let's just refresh. So at the moment it's called Alex, the variable is set to Alex, so it's saying hi Alex, so it's greeting me as we've seen here. Now echo is okay for, say, this small amount of text here, but when we've got this larger amount here with a form and everything, we don't want to include the echo. Now obviously, as this stands, this will not run. You'll see that we will receive an error because obviously we're not giving any output, giving any method of output of this text. So we've obviously got a parse error here. That's on line 12. So if we go up to line 12, you can see that it starts here. Again, the problem does arise from here. The way we can do this is we've got the starting PHP opening tag here. I'm actually going to come down and I'm going to end the tag, and this is just after where the block starts. So we're ending the tag after the block starts, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new tag just before the last the last curly bracket on the block starts. So we've got a chunk of PHP code here in blue here, and a chunk of PHP code here, and the rest of here is not interpreted by PHP. It's HTML code, and it will be displayed as HTML code. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and change all these back to speech marks. I'm going to go along and change all these. So I could have coded it like this in the first place. If you implement this method from the first time you use this, then you'll just be able to code naturally, and it would work a lot better. Okay, so again we've got a block here, and then we've got a block here, but you'd think that, you know, PHP would end here and say, oh well, you know, we've started a block here, but we haven't ended a block inside here anywhere, in this area just here. But in fact what we're doing is we're still going down here, we're automatically not echoing out but displaying this, and this is only under the else block, it won't just be displayed anyway, and then we're ending the block here in this blue highlighted line here, and obviously in this block with the PHP code as well. So you'll see that what will happen is, again we'll just be displayed with hi Alex. If we change the name up here, let's say to Kyle, and we refresh, you can see that our HTML has been displayed properly, but it's not actually contained within PHP and it hasn't been echoed out using PHP. So this is a really great method to use when you want to display HTML properly and easily, and you want to read it easily, and you don't want to echo out in PHP. So I hope this has been helpful to some of you, and I hope this method of coding makes your life a lot easier. Thank you.